Typing on a computer keyboard is the most frequently used skill in the workplace today, yet a glance around any office will quickly confirm that very few computer users have been trained to use a keyboard proficiently. For any workplace computer user, learning to touch type is a skill that will lead to increased productivity, efficiency, and a much healthier way of working on a computer. After just a few hours of training and a little practice, any Keyboard Pro trained keyboard user will be effortlessly typing at speeds at least 3 times faster than an untrained 2-finger user, with a higher quality of data input and fewer typing errors guaranteed. Provide Keyboard Pro training for your workforce and watch as productivity levels soar. Developed specifically for business users, Keyboard Pro has trained thousands of people in some of the world's best-known companies to type faster, smarter, and more efficiently at their computers, forever. The Keyboard Pro course begins with a lesson in keyboarding ergonomics, which is designed to make typing at a keyboard a more comfortable and rewarding experience, while reducing the chances of contracting a repetitive strain injury from bad body positioning and posture while typing. Video-driven training leads every Keyboard Pro student through the course at their own pace, and the short course concludes with a typing exam and personalized exam diploma printout for every user. Compatible with Windows and Mac systems, Keyboard Pro courses are accessed online using any web browser on any computer in any location at a time that suits the end user. For multi-user training, we can provide a special Keyboard Pro on-demand portal for your organization, which allows fast and easy end-user course registration and logins, while featuring a host of highly developed multi-user tools to help organize, administrate, and manage the training of many users with no more than a few mouse clicks. Choose Keyboard Pro to boost your company productivity and efficiency while promoting a healthier, more comfortable, and more rewarding way of working at a computer.